Hi all. Before starting the topic, I would like to explain myself. My name is Sanamika and I am a student of MSc Biochemistry from Central University of Kerala. So the topic I am going to discuss today is Biomolecules, which is coming under chapter 9 of class 11. So let's start the topic, that is Biomolecules. First let's look the topic name itself, that is Biomolecules. By checking the topic name itself, we can understand what we are going to study, right? So biomolecules, we can divide the name into two words, bio and molecules. That is molecules. Bio, but we all know that what is the meaning of bio? That is, it is connected to life, that is living things like human. So bio means living organisms and living things. And molecules, we know that these are nothing but atoms will be connected by bonds. That is called molecules. So biomolecule means molecules which is present inside living system. That is called biomolecules. So these biomolecules we can divide into two. That is, inorganic molecules are there, also organic molecules are there. Organic molecule, we know that is, it will be having carbon and hydrogen will be present on its structure. That is called organic molecule. So these organic molecules are our lipids, proteins, carbohydrate, nucleic acids. These four will be coming under organic molecule. So these four are main important biomolecule in living system. So we will be dealing more with them later. So now let's look what are inorganic molecules. Minerals, also water, gases, these are all coming under inorganic molecules. So our important thing is this organic molecule, that is proteins. We know that how much importance it have in our body. Nucleic acid, that is DNA. DNA is the genetic material of cell, right? Also carbohydrate is there, lipid is there. So these four are the main important biomolecule present in living system. So our main topic is these four. So let's look one by one. First one is protein. So proteins are nothing but it will be having amino acids connected by peptide bond. That is structure of proteins. So we can compare this protein structure into a train. That is, the train will be having compartment, right? Different compartments will be there, like bogies. So same goes to our protein also. It will be having different type of amino acids. The amino acids will be like our compartment in train. In a train, we know that these compartments, it will be connected by a chain, right? Chain or something. So same goes to our protein also. This amino acid will be connected by a bond, that is peptide bond. By peptide bond, this amino acid will be connected. That is called protein. So now let's see the structure of the amino acid. That is, it will be having a carbon at the center, also side chain like carboxyl group, COH will be present, NH2 group, that is amino group will be present, also hydrogen group will be present, also R group, which is a variable group. These three, that is carboxyl group and also hydrogen, also that amino group, these three will be constant, but this R can be changed based on the variability of this R. Different type of amino acids are there. Acetic amino acid is there, basic amino acid is there, also aromatic amino acids, like that different types of amino acid is there. In case of protein structure, 22 different amino acid will be present. In that 20 will be standard amino acids. The 21st amino acid will be cellulose and 22nd will be pyrrolysine. But the 20 amino acid will be called as standard amino acids. So these are main things about proteins. I hope you will be clearly understood the topic, that is protein. Now let's look at lipid structure. Lipid, it's nothing but it will be having a fatty acid and a alcohol group. So it will be connected by ester bond. So that is called lipid. So this lipid will be hydrophobic, that is water insoluble. This fatty acid, it can be unsaturated fatty acid, also saturated fatty acids. In case of saturated fatty acid, it is nothing but fatty acid which won't be having double bond. That is called saturated fatty acid. In case of unsaturated, it will be having double bond. So that is the two types of classification of fatty acids. So That is about lipids. So now let's see nucleic acid. Nucleic acid, it can be of two types, right? RNA is there, also DNA is there. RNA means ribonucleic acid, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. We all know that how much importance DNA have in our body, that is, it is the genetic material of cell. So this nucleic acid, it will be like how the structure is, that is, we can check the structure, that is, it will be having nitrogenous base, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine. Also phosphate group will be present, also sugar molecule will be present. As I said, these all, that is protein, lipid, nucleic acid and carbohydrate, these are coming under organic molecule. What is organic molecule? It will be having carbon and hydrogen. So by looking the structure itself, we can understand in this whole structure there will be carbon, hydrogen. In case of protein, we know that amino acid, it will be having, as I already told the structure, it will be having hydrogen and carbon. In case of lipid also, it will be having carbon, hydrogen in the structure of fatty acid and alcohol. In case of nucleic acid also, the nitrogenous base, also the sugar molecule. Every structure have that molecule structure have that carbon and hydrogen. That is why they are coming under organic molecule. So that is about nucleic acid. Then now let's talk about carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are called as saccharides. Carbohydrates, let's look the name, that is hydrates of carbon. It will be having carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These three molecules will be present in carbohydrate. So this carbohydrate, it can be divided into monosaccharide, disaccharide, also polysaccharide. In case of monosaccharide, it is the simplest sugar, that is simplest carbohydrate. It will be only having one sugar molecule. In case of disaccharide, it will be having two sugar molecule, two monosaccharide together, that is monosaccharide plus monosaccharide equal to disaccharide. In case of polysaccharide, it will be containing more than two monosaccharide. That is why they are called as polysaccharide. Poly means more than two, two. That's called more than di. That is called polysaccharide. So polysaccharide means it will be containing sugar molecules more than two. So that is about the topic. That's it. Thank you.